Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You will want one of the best gaming PC cases if you are building your perfect gaming PC. In this video you will see 5 best gaming PC cases with better airflow, more space, rigid and more. Let's get started. The best budget option, CORSAIR CARBIDE Series 275R, is a compact mid-tower ATX case, which measures 455 by 225 by 260 mm and weighs about 16 pounds, that matches minimalist design, and a beautiful tempered glass window with a straightforward interior layout, and versatile cooling options with space for multiple radiator configurations or up to 6 120 mm fans. Also on the front panel there are 2 USB 3.0 headphone and microphone ports to connect any external device. And also LED light that shows hard drive's activity, and a power button. Its simple and intuitive internal layout enables easy and quick building. It comes with rugged construction steel drives trays for 2 3.5 inches drives, and 4 2.5 inches drives, which provide ample room for additional SSD and hard drives. Built-in cable routing with dedicated cable compartment enables effortlessly clean builds. In order to have high performance and better cooling, it has 2 included CORSAIR SP120 fans that ensures cool air is directed to the hottest components without any interference from drive's cages. It may not be the best, but it is definitely the best budget gaming PC case on the market. The link is provided in description for more information or to order. Cooler Master is kind of known for well cooling things, and the H500P mesh with tempered glass side panel is evidence of how it got there. This beautiful RGB packed case has plenty of room for airflow, even accommodating up to 360 mm radiators on the top and front, for when you really want to take your cooling to the next level. It will blow you away with its looks and performance, along with 2 impressive 200 mm RGB fans behind the mesh front panel, and 2 optional 200 mm fans on the top will provide all the airflow a build could need. Cover for clean building with cable covers, a CPU cutout cover, and PSU shroud which takes cable management to the next level. 2 additional rear PCI slots allow you to show off one vertically positioned graphics card. And on top of that the RGB lighting, and tempered glass side panel, and you have the potential to build something beautiful with this case. It is the best high airflow case for better performance. The link is provided in description for more information or to order. Much like the original Cooler Master Cosmos, the C700P is a hefty beast with a similarly large price tag and worth the expense. The iconic aluminum handle shapes the contemporary design, and provides easy-to-carry function. The beautiful curved glass panel with 2 curved edges to offer a wide view inside your PC, and sleek color scheme are matched by features that will support even the most high-end components including E-ATX motherboards, and oversized GPU. A larger footprint means that you won't be pushed for space either. Unique frame design enables regular chimney effect, and inverse layout. Motherboard is removable for installation outside of the case. Removable PSU, storage, and cable covers for ease of cable management with clean builds as a result. A single bay for 2.5 or 3.5 inches hard drive cage. The next generation frame design allows for complete disassembly, and is ideal for case modders who would like to give their case a paint job. Even the RGB lighting is subtle enough that it won't distract you while you game. And of course this is a lot to spend on an enclosure. However, those who are willing to go all out on a build will get a case with everything they need to create a stunning PC. The best full tower PC case you can buy. The link is provided in description for more information or to order. Originally known for its silent power supplies and fans, Be Quiet entered the case market with a big splash, and has done quite well in the short period of time since its first case launch in 2014. One of its newer cases, the Dark Base Pro 900, remains one of the highly recommended full towers, thanks to its sleek design and enthusiast-friendly interior. It offers unrivaled flexibility with impeccable cooling and silence features. The Dark Base Pro 900 Rev 2 is large enough to support the biggest motherboards, and radiators up to 420 mm in size. The decoupled motherboard tray adapts to suit individual requirements, being completely relocatable and usable as a test bench. It can be adjusted to 3 different heights, or installed alongside the left panel in an inverted layout with redefined airflow. It is fully compatible with E-ATX and XL-ATX motherboards. The 3 pre-installed Silent Wings 3 with 140 mm PWM fans offer virtually inaudible operation. They are equipped with a smooth-running 6-pole motor, durable fluid dynamic bearing, and airflow-optimized fan blade design. The frame has funnel-shaped air inlets that generate high air pressure. The 8 PWM fan connectors are divided over 2 rails, and each is switchable between silence and performance mode. This makes it possible to create 2 cooling zones that can be controlled by just the front panel switch. If all fans shall run at the same speed, both channels can be switched to the same mode. The installation options are flexible thanks to repositionable single HDD slots. Supports up to 5 hard drives, 10 SSDs, and 2 optical drives out of the box. The practical slot covers serve to hide any unused HDD slots, and keep the inner workings neat and tidy. The PSU shroud offers a variety of solutions, not just for hiding the PSU, and to keep the system neat and tidy. The cover plates are separately detachable, making it possible to install a fan or an SSD on the top of the PSU shroud, and leave enough space for a radiator in the front. With its smart silence concept, Dark Base Pro 900 Rev 2 is the perfect case for the extreme requirements of overclocked systems, and super silent water-cooled PCs. It can carry up to 7 additional fans, up to 4 radiators, and has noise-reducing vents all around the case that provide ultra-effective full-circuit airflow. The case is equipped with an elegant fully windowed side panel that is made of tinted and tempered glass. The eye-catching internal LED illumination comes in 6 switchable colors. The LED stripes can be freely moved inside the PC case. And an integrated wireless charger for Qi-enabled devices such as smartphones. The front input-output ports offers perfect compatibility for an high-end PC. A connector of USB 3.1 Type-C Gen 2. Dark Base Pro 900 Rev 2 is available in orange, black and silver. It is one of the best case for modders. The link is provided in description for more information or to order. The Enthu Primo combines innovative design and rich styling that appeal to builders of any caliber. Accessibility and functionality is what sets the Enthu Primo on a level of its own. Hidden PSU, hidden HDD, hidden cables, and grommets a modular cable cover. Extreme cooling capacity providing up to 16 different fan mount locations for 120 mm or 140 mm. 5 included Phanteks premium fans. Dual repositionable and removable HDD cages for support up to 6 HDDs for more installation flexibility or unrestricted airflow. Closed HDD panel strengthens the chassis rigidity, even when both HDD cages are removed. Thermally isolated PSU keeps the radiant heat from other critical components, reveals an optimal bottom air intake, and hides the cables from blocking the airflow, and extensive water cooling support. There are up to 5 different installation areas for slim and thick radiators varying from single to quad 120 mm and 140 mm form factors. Clearance for push-pull fan configurations. Radiator brackets for easy installation at bottom and side. Cable cover can be transformed into a reservoir bracket with pre-drilled mounting holes, and a universal pump bracket with vibration dampening function. Removable drop and lock double-stack SSD brackets that can be installed on 3 different locations. Removable front and top covers for easy installation of cooling components, and easy dust filter removal. Its clean and elegant design that can be recognized by the refined aluminum front and top panels. Controllable LED lighting for LED strip and fan LED. Polished chamfers that subtly accentuate the intake and exhaust areas. The Enthu Primo is an amazing case. It is solid, well built and is aesthetically pleasing from any angle. A true case for the water cooling enthusiast, and it is really hard to believe that this is Phanteks' first entry into the case race. The link is provided in description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.